Ah, your food's rubbish. 3 years of bloody food poisoning.
Come on! We'll get some decent breakfast somewhere.
Aye.
Oh, here, wait a minute. Must phone Shuggy Flynn. Aye. Wonder if he's still ringing cars.
Well, I spoke to his brother in D-Hall the other day. Big time now, you know. Specialising. Don't know what, but he's specialising.
I'll try Flinny now.
Aye, okay.
Uh-huh. Right. Okay. Flinny's away in Germany. On business. His big Betty is Bidey in answered. Oh, Flinny's into the big time. Drugs.
I don't like the sound of that.
Anyway, she says she'll take a wee car, 3-year-old. Well, Polish don't chat to 3-year-olds so quick. Aye, and she's prepared to pay up to £400.
Well, look, there's one over there. It's a wire edge. That looks okay.
Aye. Oh, you cunning sod. The screws have spent 3 years looking for that.
Johnny, I'll pick you up by the exit. Over there. Do a watcher, eh?
Okay. Well done, Billy.
Are we taking it to Big Betty's now?
Aye, sure thing. She lives somewhere near Castle Milk, but I'll get her a phone when we get near. In the meantime, let's find some place to eat. I'm starving.
This is just like old times, eh?
Sure is. This looks like a good place. Right, come on, let's get a full civilised breakfast after all that prison garbage, eh? Here, you away and find a seat and I'll get the grub, all right?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, look at this, Billy. Here we go, eh? There we go, son.
Excellent.
Oh, is that no great, eh?
Class.
You know what? Been waiting for months and months for this, I have.
Imagine.
Let's get stuck in, eh? Great stuff, eh? What?
A wee honey bun, that.
Oh, aye, her of a car. Oh, come on in. Let's get finished up and get home. Oh, here, listen. We'll take the back roads, eh?
Hey, is that bird from the cafe? She's broken down.
Quick, draw in. We'll help her.
Oh, it's you. Can you help me? It started to make funny noises and then just petered out. There's plenty of petrol in the tank.
I'll wait and see if you can start her up.
This is a fancy dashboard, though. What's this for?
I don't know. I don't have the handbook with me.
No handbook?
I only acquired the car yesterday in Perth, and I'm desperate to get to Glasgow Airport for my flight to London. Can you help?
Well, we need a minute to discuss, lady. Billy.
What is it?
Listen, I can fix that fault. Now, you take her to the airport in the Astra, right?
Yeah.
And then on the way, she can phone the garage to send a mechanic. Well, by the time he gets here, I'll be long gone.
So Big Betty might get 2 cars then?
Correct. Don't worry. I'll stay here with the car. Well, I'll save it being vandalised or stolen. And this place, it's full of characters on the move.
I quite agree. But how are you going to get home?
Well, I'll hitch a lift with the mechanic.
Thank you so much.
Well, well, if it isn't our old friend Johnny Black. Going up market, Johnny, aren't you? Mercedes?
Oh, Detective Inspector McPhee and Detective Sergeant Reed. Well, long time no see, eh? Oh, it's all right. I'm just doing the lady owner a favour. She's away to London on the plane. Just waiting for her mechanic to come. He'll be here any time now.
That'll be right. This is the Chief Constable's personal car.
Eh?
And it's just been reported stolen from the City Mills car park this morning. Talk your way out of that.
No! Oh.